Hi, I'm Tim Webster, and today I'm looking at workplace traffic management and how it can be used to avoid accidents in the workplace. In 2017, 176 men and 14 women were killed in workplace accidents. Now, fortunately, work-related vehicle accidents are relatively rare, making up less than 10% of accidents overall annually. Aiming to reduce these figures, Safe Work Australia has produced a workplace traffic management guide. The guide makes it clear that operators of facilities need to consider all possible control measures and decide on those that are reasonably practicable, while acknowledging cost constraints. The bad news is that this lack of specific direction appears to have led many Australian companies to take a least cost approach to workplace traffic management, an approach that still leaves the workplace in danger. Because while painted lines and temporary barriers do provide a visual cue for segregation of vehicles and pedestrians, they really don't provide any protection against a runaway forklift.